This is our Skylight picture frame, and it was one of our Mother's Day gifts that we got from this girl and her baby and daddy. So the way that it works is it's a picture frame that our family can email photos to the special email address, and it will then upload the pictures. So our grandkids and our kids can email random photos, and you just never know what we're going to see while we're sitting here in the house and who's going to pop up. So cool gift, and it's called the Skylight picture frame, and there it is. Bella's going to growl at it.